Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again in interview question answer session part 2. That means this is the second video. So hopefully you watched already the first video. So whoever is watched first video, thanks to all. If you have any comments or feedbacks, please share with me in comment section. Based on your comments or your asking question, I will try to make another video. So if you have the question about the interview or what you want to know, this type of question, you can ask me in the comment section. If that is in my knowledge or in my knowledge area, I will try to answer your question. Okay. So in this video, I'll try to discuss with you about the introduce yourself and tell us about yourself. So this is actually common and vital question for each and every candidate during interview. They will ask you this question in 100%. So in this question, actually very simple question, but you need to answer in this question very carefully and very sincerely actually. So if you give your intro is perfectly, they will ask you the next question from your introduction. Whatever you expose or whatever you tell in your introduction, they will basically they will ask the question based on your introduction. So introduction part, try to give always confidently, and you prepare yourself before facing the interview. How you introduce yourself. So here I will try to share with you some technique or some information how we can give answer for this question. So introduce yourself and tell about yourself, or they can ask you asking this question maybe in different way. Okay. So before starting this video, maybe I can request you, if you are in new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the all updated video. And you can share my video with your friends if you think this is the benefited for them also. Okay. So this question actually asking by the HRT. So when they taking you for interview online or offline, whatever. So HR person, first of things, they will ask you, okay, introduce yourself or tell us about yourself. So this is the common question for all candidate. Okay. So before answering this question, I will tell some things. During answering this question, express yourself is confidently, no need to worry, or no need to feel nervous. Okay, try to keep yourself clean, and you consider you are attending the interview. How you get the confidence? That one I am taking. You think you giving the interview, maybe this time you will be fail. So what problem? No problem. You will learn something from this interview, and you can take the preparation for the facing the another interview. So no problem. So you give answer use confidently. Okay. But during this answer, whatever you entail about yourself, make sure you know all the things is very well. Okay. Because from this introduction, the subject matter expert, they will keep or take the some point, and after that they will asking you based on whatever you tell in this answer. And one more resource or source for asking the question, that is your CV. Okay. So when you submitting the CV, make sure whatever you mention in CV, work experience, roles, responsibility, anything, whatever you mention in CV, you have good knowledge, whatever you mentioned. Okay. Because interviewer, before taking your interview, they review your CV. In next video, I will show you from CV how they pick the point, what type of question they will ask you. Okay. Okay, let's move for this question answer. So for this question answer, just I summarize for myself or from point of my view and for my experience, something like that. This is not actually what's a standard or something like that. You can arrange your introduction in your own way, but this is, I think, you can get some suggestion from here or something like that. Okay. So during giving this answer, you consider some things. Number one, before starting the before introduce yourself, maybe you can giving them the you can start from greetings like hi, hello, nice to meet you, something like that. Okay. Then you tell your name. Then maybe you can tell your year of the experience, how many year you have experience. Then working field, which field you are working. Then you can tell them the qualification. Qualification maybe can be two: academic qualification and professional qualification. That means academic education and professional education. Then you can tell them the current company name, wherever is now currently you are working, your designation or rules, something like that. Then you can tell them the previous company name, designation. So this way, this format, you can uh, uh, arrange. Okay. So before facing interview, I will try to I will suggest to you, you must take the preparation for this question, maybe minimum, not maybe, minimum 10 times, and you try to answer yourself how you giving this answer. So number one, I repeat again. Number one, greetings, hi, hello, then tell the name, then tell the year of experience, how many year of experience you have, then working field, which field you are working, what field you have the experience, then qualification should be the academic qualification, education and professional education, then current company name and designation, rules, previous company name or designation or rules. Okay. So for this, I will show you now the one sample how you can tell. Okay. Maybe you can get some idea from here. Okay. You are seeing, I think you are seeing the one is a screen. So first things I say the greeting. So hi, nice to meet you. So this is the greetings. Then you say I am your name, XYZ or something like that. You can tell your name. Then you can mention I have 12 year experience in QC department in oil and gas, shipyard and power plant sector. So in this point you are telling already I have 12 year experience. That means experience you already mentioned. Then you say QC department you work and oil and gas, shipyard and power plant sector. So this is your working field. That means oil and gas, shipyard and power plant sector. You working as a QQC engineer or QQC inspector. That means QQC department. Okay. Then you now you telling them that your academic qualification. Then I have completed my diploma or BSc engineering in the year of. So you can say your year. Okay. Then you can say that I am holding professional certificate CSIP 3.1, SET level 2. Then you can say BTM, TPT, UTRTFI. Then maybe you can say CQI, IRC 9000 2015. So whatever you have the professional qualification, all the things you can highlight here shortly based on your applied position. Which position you applied, you see what is the position, that position whatever is the suited, then that one you maybe can tell there. Okay. Then currently I am working. Currently I am working here already writing Peel Engineering Construction Limited in Bangladesh as a quality manager. Then previously I was worked 3 different company XYZ welding piping inspector. So this is the just sample. Okay, this is not the final. That's I show you the sample. Maybe now currently I am working in the BNB in the Saudi Aramco project. So these are the things. So this pattern you can take note from here, or you can arrange, or you can rearrange yourself how you introduce yourself. This is the most important. Okay. From here, I tell you, from here, subject matter expert will pick the some point. Like you mentioned 12 years experience. So they pick the point, 12 years you have the experience. So they will ask you question. One person, if working QQC department, you mentioned the QQC department. So if you work QQC department for 12 years, how much knowledge you should have? These are the things they will consider. Then you mention oil and gas, shipyard and power plant sector. So if you apply for the oil and gas, they will consider oil and gas. So if you have the oil and gas experience, they will ask you the oil and gas experience, oil and gas related question. If shipyard, power plant means power plant. Okay. This is the question. Then you have mentioned you have the certificate CC 3.1. So if you have the certificate 3.1, that means you are the welding inspector. So they can ask you the any question about the welding. Okay. Then you have mentioned ASCD level 2, BT, MT, PT, UT, RTFI. So they can ask you question from this point also. Then you mentioned you have the CQI IRC 9000 and 2050. That means quality management system. So you are the lead auditor for the quality management system. So they can ask you from this point of view also. Okay. Then you say you are working previous company quality manager and then another company piping inspector, welding and piping inspector. So this point also pick you are the piping inspector or welding inspector. So relevant to this field, this thing they will pick the point, they will ask you question one by one. This is the one source for asking the question. Another source is that they will review your CV. Next video I will show you from review after review the CV or the point or from where they pick the point to asking the question. Okay. So up to today is here. So I hope you getting the one better idea. I try to give you the some idea how you introduce yourself. So if you have the any other suggestion or any thought or anything, maybe you can share with us or you can share with me. Then I can learn something from you. So today I want to close here. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.